Hi, my name is Kaley. I'm a rising senior from Computer High School. And for my starter project, I built the grand piano, which uses capacitive touch keys controlled by a microcontroller. For my main project, I built a hydroponic farm, which grows plants artificially. I initially did not choose this project. I chose something like a robot, like everybody else did. But to challenge myself, I wanted something more than electrical components. I wanted mechanical, coding, and even tried to waterproof all these stuff. It was not good. Here's a demo of my hydroponic.
So we'll get to the demo in a bit. Obviously, there's a lot of stuff to go through here. It grows plants artificially, right? How much can you expect from an immediate setup? Kaley, why don't you tell us a little bit more about how you made all this happen?
So the structure is made using PVC pipes, and the water lines are PEX pipes. So the water runs from the tub to the vinyl tubing, up the PEX pipes, down the drip emitters, and to the downspouts, and back to the tub, which is an efficient way to recycle water. All the electrical components are maintained by the Arduino, which was really hard to code, by the way. So to maintain the climate control, I use a temperature sensor, a fan, and lights. Okay. Where are the lights? Hey! The lights are usually for nighttime so that the plants can still produce like photosynthesis, and it's best for blue since it absorbs blue and reflects green. And the fan works in a way that's if the temperature sensor is more than 78 degrees, it would turn on. And I can't demonstrate it now. Can I? Yeah, sure. Like this. So I connected the fan to a relay, which is also connected to the Arduino, which I programmed. So if the temperature sensor sets the water and the area to be more than 78 degrees, then it would automatically turn on. Oh, yeah, sure.
So the data you can see streaming about the garden, right? It's not just a traditional soil in a bed with some wood, some watering cans on it. It's an automated system so you can grow plants on your own without human intervention. That's what you're seeing right there.
And it's on. Yay! That's the entire climate control. Also, to maintain the water, I have float switches, water meter, and solenoid valve. The float switches detect the level of the water. So if the tub is like, low on water, it would send a signal to the Arduino to tell them, oh, the user, you need more water. And the water meter records the flow of the water. So I programmed it to not be more than 2 liters per minute. So if it is, then the solenoid valve, which is a gate for the entryway of the water, would turn off. Also, plants need the perfect chemistry to maintain its stableness. So I have a pH meter and a pH doser. I coded the pH sensor to start the pH doser if the pH is more than 7.3 or less than 6.3, because that range is the perfect pH for the plants. I had several challenges in this project, such as coding, because I've never had prior experience before. But after the help with the instructors and Google, everything is working fine. I feel like I'm confident enough to fix if I have any problems. It looks great. Yeah, and also it was my first time using power tools since my dad doesn't let me touch them at home. And, it's really fun. Oh my gosh, it was so much fun. But then, oh, let go and Neil trained me. Oh, but I went home with the sore arm, and it was really bad. But this entire experience with Bluestem was extremely rewarding, and I loved every minute of it, even though I was frustrated several times. I lied on the table for at least 10 minutes. It was not good. But I believe that I would actually pursue a career in engineering, because I love doing this. And I will eventually go to environmental engineering and maybe change the world with one artificial plant at a time.
Yeah, I'm interested. So you're actually going to be able to grow plants without earth?
No, yes. I'm going to grow kale, because my name's Kaley. Yes.
Okay, so it makes a lot of sense. There's one thing that I don't get at all. Where does the plant go?
Oh, here, sorry, these are the netting plots. I didn't plant anything yet because I don't have time, but the water was all here, and it was over the beach. And I have
That's so cool.
You have a customer.
Yay! Yeah.
That seems like a lot of work. Did you buy it, or did you have one of your, instructors make it for you? Yeah, I know, but
What? No, I made it.
Yeah.
It's a lot of work. I mean, they helped me cut the PEX pipe because it was really hard to cut, but this was fun to make. And fun to build. It was like Legos.
Oh,
They connect.
you didn't say that when you were doing that. I don't know.